Let's make some pear sorbet, fam. Join me.
Fam, today is a quick and simple video on just making our sorbet. I found out you can make your own sorbet. Not mentioning brand names, but it's a simple way of making that same sorbet with just your choice of whatever fruits you want to use. Today I have some pears that a family member has grown. I have frozen them, and since it wasn't a lot, I wanted to freeze them and make something nice out of them, and I chose to do a sorbet with this. And you use whatever you want as your artificial sweetener. You know, I always try to keep myself low carb and sugar free as possible. Not always, but as possible. I am also going to be using a Crystal Light. I don't have a pear Crystal Light, but I'm going to use my peach mango tea just to add a little added kick to it. That is what's in my spring water bottle. I already mixed it together. And I'm going to add a little bit of additional sweetener, but again, sugar-free. This is a sugar-free syrup. So I'm going to add a little bit of that to it. And let's get started. It's really simple. I already have the pears in here. I'm going to move this over. And all I have to do, I just want to give this a little shake. All I have to do is add, I'm going to probably put about up to here of water. I don't want it to be runny. Remember, I'm trying to do a sorbet, so I don't want to add too much water first. So this is how much we have in. I'm going to add just probably a little bit. And again, I don't give you ingredients because you got eyeballs and know your taste. I'm going to give it probably a good tablespoon of my artificial sweetener. And now let's get the blended. I'm telling you, you need to be using your NutriBullets. They are handy tools. Let me bring mine in here. Get mine on. Very handy. I use it for a lot. So I'm going to fast forward through this because y'all don't need to hear all this. So I'm gonna
more water. You know what? I think it's time to add, I just want to add a little bit of syrup. Just a little. Perfect, 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 perfect. Had to give it a little taste. Now it's time to spoon it in the container. See, like I say, eating healthy does not have to be expensive. So, let me put these over here. Put these away and get this out of here. Clean up after myself, as they say. And let me put this over here. And here is our, well, let me get another spoon. Here is our finished product. It is delicious. So all I'm going to do is, I'm going to eat that part. Let me get that out. Second spoon, I just made mess.
All I'm going to do is add it to this container, pop it in the freezer. I'm going to try to stop showing that name. Pop it in the freezer, and here we have pear sorbet. It can be strawberry sorbet, blueberry sorbet. It can be berry sorbet. It can be whatever you want. I'm going to show you a clip of a couple of ones that I have already made. I have made a nectarine with mango sorbet, and it was delicious. So don't be spending a lot of money when you can make your own. You probably already have the tools at home. Let's make use of our tools, fam. All you need is, if you want something sweet, if you really need that sweet, do fruit. Fruit is your best bet. It's not something you should have all the time, but it is about the healthiest sugar you want to get out there, fruit. You could turn it into, if you can't eat ice cream, this is also good for people who can't handle dairy products. When you miss that ice cream, make a sorbet. And I'll show you a clip how you take this same sorbet, add a little bit more juice or whatever you want to it, and there you have a smoothie. Or if you are tolerant to milk, you can add milk to it, or your chia seeds. If you're in all that chia seeds and anything can be added into this. We can do it ourselves. We don't have to spend